Channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make onion tea that you can use to relieve coughing, cold and flu. So stay tuned. Make this tea. I'll be using organic onion. So I'm going to peel of the onion to avoid contaminating the drink. Then I'm going to leave the last brown layer of the onion. The onion peel has so many benefits. The onion skin is an excellent source of vitamin A, C and E and other antioxidants. Then the onion is so good because it will help to fight virus and bacterial infection. It will also help to ease sore throat and help us to expel mucus from our airways. So I'm going to cut the onion. I'm done cutting the onion. I'll be making use of 2 bay leaves. Bay leaves are so good for this drink because it contains vitamin C and some essential oil. Making use of garlic. So I'm going to peel the garlic. Garlic is a special spice that will help to stimulate mucus flow. It will help our body to expel mucus. It also contains sulfur, which will help our body to absorb zinc. In the garlic, I'm going to crush the garlic, then set aside. I'll be adding all the ingredients into a pot. Then another wonderful ingredient I'll be using is ginger. I've already peeled the ginger, so I'm going to cut the ginger into smaller pieces. Feel free to grate the ginger. I'm going to add into the pot. So to boil this, I'll be adding 2 cups of water. On adding the water, I'm going to allow it to boil. I'll allow it to boil for about 5 minutes, then I will turn off the heat. And after about 3 minutes, I'm going to use a strainer to strain to get the liquid. This drink, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. The remaining 1 in the pot, you can warm it up before you drink it. Onion tea is so effective because it will help you to expel mucus and it will help you to fight virus and bacteria that causes cold and flu. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.